What's up, ladies and gents? Hopefully you can hear me. It's kind of loud and windy, but me and Tony are out here. We're gonna try catching some crappie or whatever we can do. We got some crappie lures and then we got some minnows. So let's get to it. Has to be a kitty. That's massive.
Ah, hit back.
What'd I do?
Hit back because you touched the screen.
Oh, my bad. Okay. I got my little ice pole. We're gonna catch a tank. I'm putting a minnow on. Damn, these are big minnows too. Holy crap.
Look. No, he's about to come. Look. That's some shad.
Damn you. No! You just made me lose my minnow.
That's a flatty on the bottom. Look at that.
Where?
Coming to your left.
Oh, yeah? It'd be cool to catch one, but not on this. This is probably way too small of a hook. Oh, I forgot it has this trigger.
Oh, he tapped it.
Where am I? Am I even over here? Where the heck am I? Is that me?
Oh, that's me.
Oh, I just hit something.
Wants to know what's that on the right. Oh, he tapped it.
Is that you? Oh, he's chasing it. He's going for it. Got it. No?
No. Oh, he tapped it, bro.
Why
You got a minnow?
Yeah. Why can't
Let's come back for it.
Why can't I see mine?
Baller.
Oh, damn, I just got hit.
Baller over here.
Nah. Dude, I can't see my bait.
You probably got too small of a jig.
Damn.
There's my jig right there.
Okay, well, where the holy, that's big. That is big.
Hit it. Oh, bro. He hit it.
You scared the shit.
Damn.
Why can't I? Yo, cussing.
Why? Oh, you're recording. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Where is my? There's no way it can't see this.
Dylan, it's me up. Oh, okay.
Look at all them shad. There's mine. There it is. We're right by each other. This looks like a tangled mess.
Damn it, bro. I wanted the...
Oh, what is it? Crap? Little channel? Nice.
Not the one I wanted.
Okay. Nice. Pretty little guy.
I just put the minnow bucket on this side.
True.
What's a kitty or something right there?
Where? Right there?
Anything on the bottom you see? Most of the time it's like a cat or a walleye or...
Yeah, I got it sitting right above the bottom, but...
There's something big right below you.
Stupid camera. And you probably just got him. What is it? Channel again? What the hell? Maybe we have a pack of wild channels.
Don't want a flatty.
So much. Oh, don't have like the ideal bait.
Ooh, shit.
There, I'm falling. Right on him. Got it. Oh shit. On a little ice rod. Woo! This is a channel. Guess we got channels everywhere. So those little marks are just those channels. So if we get something bigger, then we'll be like, oh, dude. Oh wait, what? Oh shit. Dude, they feel so much bigger on this thing. Little dinkies. Dinky McDinkersons. Yeah, no stabbing. I think you just caught this one.
I think I just caught that one.
Yeah, it was bleeding already. Dude, they're looking right at it. Oh! There's gotta be crappie. How do I loosen the drag on this?
Side?
I'm trying, it just keeps tightening. Oh, channel.
Channel?
Yeah. Channel slayers. Must be like a pack of wild channels. Okay. Where do you want to go?
Just a different slip. We're gonna go apart.
Why not? You try that corner or this far edge?
Yeah. There's something big like laying right by the pole. Two.
Can you see me?
I can't see me or nothing. Just the placement.
Looks like dookie.
We're doing this. Oh gosh.
Now my shit's gonna be all messed up. Okay. Let's go to this slip down here.
This one.
Bro, if I catch a flatty on this, there's no way. It's definitely gonna break off. Oh, that's big.
Ooh!
What?
Attacked me. It attacked me.
He's looking at my shit.
That's a bigger fish. Oh, that's the one that came and missed. Got me.
Yeah, it's right. No? Drum?
Drum.
Ooh. Oh. Dude, there's like no give on this. Nope. Drum bud. Little drum bud. That's the smallest drum I've ever caught. What is it? The heck is it?
Oh no, it's heavy.
It looked big. Probably a big drum it looked like on the sonar. What is it?
Oh, come this way.
What line you got?
I don't know, to be honest.
I mean, it doesn't look like it should be too bad.
I want him to stay over here though.
No, yeah, I get that.
I just want to see it at least.
Looks like he's under the dock.
He's coming, he's coming.
What are you? I just want to see.
I
Oh, bubbles.
just want to see it.
It's got some bubbles. It's either a little flatty or a drum.
I think it's a little flatty, but I'm not for sure.
But I'm going with drum. Is that water he just kind of moved?
You think it's a drum?
I do. The shape, at least, it looked like it on the sonar, but
True, it didn't show the whole.
it looks
Here it
like, oh, big ass channel.
Blue.
Or blue, I don't know. That's decent. That looks like a channel,
Oh, is that a channel?
I think. You mean to hold your pole?
Hold on, he's not done yet.
Okay. That's like the ice ones.
Yeah.
Smaller, actually. You good?
Let's see here.
That's like perfect to eat.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Will you hold this?
Yep. He looks hooked good. Nice.
Nice.
You good?
Huh?
You want to pick quick?
I'll take a quick pick.
My bad. I got it.
Oh, come on.
I hate when that happens. Dude, he looks so delicious, actually. What the heck? Nice.
Hoping.
Nice.
Fun catch, buddy.
That was a decent one. He looked so fat on the sonar.
He did.
Like wide. Okay. It looked like one.
The one we saw earlier when we first came here.
Over here?
Yep, drop it. He's right there.
I think he took it.
Oh, he attacked it. He'll come back.
I think it's another channel.
He's right there. He's in your front face.
3, 2.
Go up a little bit. Pull it up. Just, yep.
Oh, look at that guy.
He's charging at it. Just slowly lift up. Let him. He's following you all the way. Yep, you got it. There you go.
Oh, crappie.
Oh, crap.
What?
I did not think that was a crappie.
No, it did not look like a crappie.
Oh.
Did I get juked?
Why don't you just pick it up by itself?
He was hooked right on the edge. Whoop. Is that you? Oh, it's you. Oh, did you get him? Yep. What the heck? He looked way bigger on the sonar. I hate that. Oh, I had one coming at me. Oh, he's coming back. Where did they go? They just disappear in the ground, man.
Let's move around, bro.
Okay, hold on. Oh,
Oh, there you go.
dude, they're like right there. Oh, he's coming up.
It's just like ice fishing. Lift up your pole a little bit.
Yeah. That's a crappie.
That might be a crappie.
That might be a big, well, not a big fish, but decent. Holy crap.
Ooh. Looks like a good one. Whatever that was, I did not care.
Whoa, he's coming back. No! Holy shit. Damn, they're looking at it.
What the heck is that?
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, those are decent.
Oh, he don't want it.
Dude. There's gotta be shad. What?
Should try the gas dock too, actually.
Just trying to see. Ah.
What?
Huh. That pole, dude. They're sitting right under that pole.
Okay.
That one at an angle. There's a couple, but oh, that's.
Let go your drag. Loosen your
I
drag.
can't. It's just going. As loose as it can be. No, wait. We're good. He's off. This is the tiniest pole I've ever caught fish with, really.
You off?
No. That's probably what I got snagged on. Should I use them for bait? Eh?
It's way too small. Big.
What?
Way too big.
Not really. Okay, that one. Put that one in my bucket.
Really?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, I don't care.
That one is a little big. You got the bait.
Oh, bro.
What? Oh, that's a
Damn.
big. Yeah, bait.
Oh,
You.
accidentally.
What is that?
That's what I'm trying to get to. That's not big.
Too big for bait. No. Bait. No?
That's big.
Look how slimy that is. Hold on, let me throw it off the dock.
No. If that was the case, if I drop my pole right here, is it in the water?
Yeah. Right there. But you're not getting through that. Jesus, don't hook me.
I tapped it. He tapped it.
Did I just dang it? Hold on. You got me all
We
tangled.
found him.
And I threw that fish off. Oh,
Look,
something
moving.
big.
Wait, can I get him on this side?
I don't know. There's something moving in.
He hasn't really moved.
There I am.
That's a single fish, bro.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
What?
That one.
On the bottom? Crappie.
Ooh.
Dude, this has so much like...
It's not bad if the crappie either.
What?
Look, he turned. He turned his face into the pole. I'm getting attacked by little ones. I don't want these little ones.
He's like, leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep. You... Dude. Why? How do you grab minnows without freaking launching them?
That's a slab.
Slab?
Grab it by the mouth, not by...
What?
That's a slab, bro.
Should I keep him? Brick. Yeah. Can you take a picture with me with it so I can get a picture?
Yes, I'll take a picture.
For a profile? Is that big?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, let me drop it to the bottom.
Can I keep that? But I don't really want to.
Should have used the small.
Yeah. They must be right on this pole. Maybe that's what them big marks are. Dude, how do you not lose minnows every time you pick one up? Because I do. Maybe I got slimy.
Look, there's 2 of them now, bro.
What are they?
Oh, look, I'm getting closer. They're right under here.
I know, they're hiding under that pole.
I saw your fish on their string.
Really?
Yeah. It looked nice. Bro, we should have kept the other one. There you go.
They're kind of fat. Chunkies. Is it bigger? It doesn't look... I mean, it's fatter.
Let me see the back.
I don't know.
Whoa, there's something big on the
Yeah,
bottom.
they're like coming over there and mounting up.
Yeah. What is it?
Channel, I think.
Channel.
Wait, I'm gonna use that one for bait. He's long, but he's skinny.
That's what she said!
That's a flatty. Oh my god. I scared him off. Dylan, those are flatty.
Almost had him. Really?
Yeah.
Well, catch me one
I just told my wife I was just coming to check out the ducks.
with Dylan.
She knows how much.
He's gonna launch minnows out. See, why can't I see that? Well, your tip just got hit.
Oh, hey, I gotta let you go. Alright. Oh, I thought it was blue.
Oh, I think one's looking at mine. Oh shit, he was just looking at it. That's a flathead.
Bro,
He's about to eat it.
he's about to eat it. He's about to eat
He
it.
keeps swooping back around. No, come back.
That's a flat. You can see it.
He's coming back. He's coming back and just laying down. So where would that be? To my right?
To your right.
Big shocker.
Dude, if this goes in, I'm not gonna be able to catch this.
Well, then let me catch it.
No, I mean, like, I don't think it can handle this.
My pole can.
It's like 10-pound line,
Where is he at?
like right by me, I think.
Is he still there?
Oh, what was that? There, he's to the right. Right there. I was having me to swim right there.
So he's heading that way.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, look, on the back side of the pole now. The hill.
Okay.
I'm going right here again. He's coming up the pole, dude. That's big. That's the fish.
Yeah, but where's my jig, bro? It's pissing me off.
Yeah. Oh, you're right there. Dude, that's a flat. It's gotta be.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. They're like hiding under that pole.
You got the ice rod, put your thing in between.
What do you mean? I'm not gonna pull the fish through.
No.
Oh, there I am.
Golly, bro.
I mean, it's probably not that big though, really. What the? Is that one good? Or no?
No, it's really small.
Oh, did you swallow that, you bastard? You guy. Dude, brutally murdered my little guy.